Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So today I am doing a unboxing video that I've been so excited for. I'm going to be unboxing a custom teddy bear. Around 2.5 weeks ago, I contacted a company called Don't Trust Dolls. You can find them on Facebook, Instagram and Etsy. So I was browsing through and I saw all the teddy bears that they like to mutilate. And I noticed that she did custom designs, and instantly I knew that I needed a custom teddy. I knew exactly what I wanted and I messaged her straight away and she was up for the challenge. So today I have picked up Zed Teddy and I cannot wait to open it, so let's get it open. I'm so nervous. Right, I've been so excited for this. So excited. Woo. Right, let's cover that up. I'm so excited. Right, so that says thank you, and it's got little bats on it. Okay. Oh my god. So yeah, I've waited about 2.5 weeks. That's when I first started getting in contact with Samantha, and yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. So let's just quickly open this envelope. So it says rebirth certificate, specimen description. So she asked me if I wanted to name him, and if you've seen this, then comment below. I have called him Nandor the Relentless. That's not gonna thingy. So yeah, his name is Nandor the Relentless. That's so cute. So he was rebirthed on the 15th of this month. And these are not toys, these are display only. Oh. So she's put a little badge in there as well. Don't want to like damage anything. That's her business card. Definitely 100% go and check her out. She's so lovely. She kept me updated with so much, and I really wanted to tip her, but there wasn't that option on Etsy because she had a few issues with the 3D printing, and I felt really bad. But I'll just message her. But there is her details, and there's a little. That's so adorable. Right, let's put you back safely. Oh, okay. So he's been really nicely packaged. Oh my god, honestly, I'm so excited. Come on then, Nandor. Oh, he's quite heavy. Okay, and there is another thing in there, which I know what that is. Right. So oh my god, I feel like a child at Christmas. I want to be really gentle. can't hurt Nandor. It's brilliant. Oh. Okay, I'm just going to... Yes. Okay. Let's pop that over there. So, this is how he's been packaged. Some polystyrene, not polystyrene, bubble wrap. Oh my god. That is so bloody cute. Oh my god. Thank you so much, Samantha. Oh my god. Oh, it's even got a little Don't Trust Dolls label. Look at that. Oh. Little badge for me just to see that he is custom. And oh my god. That's so cute. And he's got a little string on the back, so if you wanted to hang him, but he is going in our glass cabinet to stay safe. Oh my god. So the skull is 3D printed and then is hand painted by Samantha, and she has sculpted the teeth just to make them a little bit longer because I said I wanted them a slightly exaggerated. The wings are also 3D printed and parts of them have been sculpted. Oh my god, look at the little claw. Oh my god. And he used to have arms here, but she's removed them to make him a little bit more realistic because we wouldn't have been able to have got all of these bones on. Oh, I am so happy. Honestly, check her out on Etsy and Facebook and have a look at her stuff. This is so bloody cute. Honestly, I'm so happy. Oh, I'm so happy. But yeah, so this is all 3D printed and then hand painted. And she just kept me up to date with everything. Even when the skulls weren't printing right, she was contacting me, apologising and just keeping me in the lingo. But he's perfect. Oh my god. So, yeah. Price-wise, he cost me £76. But I think that's totally worth it because no one has got this teddy bear. No one. So yeah, this is Nandor. So I'm just going to open the other. I'm going to place him. Stay there. Ooh! Right. Yeah, it's all filled with bubble wrap and things, so it was packaged really nicely. And then there is this. Oh. Okay, I didn't realise that was added. Oh my god! Oh, that is so nice. Right, I knew that she was sending a plaque, but I didn't realise that it was oh my god, that it was this nice. And I actually feel a bit emotional. Oh my god. thank you so much, Sam. Samantha, Sam. On that is so lovely. Like, even the stand bit. Oh, I don't know what to say. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, I'm actually speechless. So, guys, just go and check Don't Trust Dolls out. She's awesome. And go and support smaller businesses like that, because the time and effort that has gone into that is amazing. Oh my God, I love it so much. Thank you so much, Samantha, and to your husband as well. Thank you so much, Don't Trust Dolls. Go and check them out. We'll leave it at that. See you later, guys. Stay spooky and look after yourselves.